We learned to build WebGIS application locally in the previous videos. In this, we are moving it to the cloud. So it can run from anywhere and can be accessed by anyone. Let's look at how WebGIS system works in the cloud. In phase 1, we set up the cloud project, local environment and authenticated Google Earth engine. In phase 2, we built WebGIS application using Flask backend API and Leaflet frontend to handle user requests. In phase 3, we used Earth engine to process satellite data where we applied cloud masking, calculated NDVI and generated vegetation statistics using reduce region along with NDVI time series. Currently in phase 4, we move everything to the cloud. Backend runs on Cloud Run, securely connected using service account and secret manager, and the results are sent back to the front end as maps and analytics. This system is serverless, so we don't manage infrastructure, secure with no hard-coded credentials, scalable to handle demand, and cost-effective since we only pay for what we use. This is how the complete WebGIS system works, from user input to cloud-based analysis and final visualization. In this video, we will enable the required cloud services to deploy the application. We already created the Google Cloud project Climate Tech in the second video of the series. If you missed it, you can watch that step by clicking the link above. In this, we will use that project to deploy the web application. First, we need to enable billing. Within the Google Cloud Console, go to the left menu and select Billing. Create a new billing account. Fill in the account information and then agree to the terms and conditions. Next, fill in your contact details and select a payment method. Then save the details. Enter your billing information. Once completed, the free tier will be activated for the initial period. After the free tier period, the same services will continue to work on a pay-as-you-use basis. Once your payment details are added, you are enrolled in cloud services. On the billing account overview, you can track your usage and see your remaining free trial credits. Cloud services require an active billing account to access the free trial and to cover minimal resource usage later on. Next, we enable the required APIs. Think of APIs as the way different cloud services communicate with each other. By enabling an API, we are simply allowing our project to use that service. Here we enable Cloud Run API, which will host our application, Artifact Registry API, which will store our container images, Earth Engine API, which is required for using Google Earth Engine. This is usually already enabled when creating the project, but you can verify it here. Next, to enable cloud services, go to APIs and services from the main page, or on the left menu, select APIs and services and then select library. In the search bar, type Cloud Run Admin API. Then select it and click Enable. The Cloud Run Admin API is enabled. Similarly, go to APIs and services and then again on library. Then on the search bar, type Artifact Registry API. Select it and enable it if it is not enabled. This is how the cloud services are activated. Now we have a ready project, billing enabled, required services activated. In the next video, we will understand how to securely connect our application to the cloud services using service accounts and secret manager. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Happy mapping!